changes and flooding, which drought will come after this, based on the data that we have, that after the sequence of the floods, the droughts follow, which is now a new normal. The most impacted people are those farmers and those at the local level who either it is raining and flooding that they do not receive adequate sun to dry their vegetables or to dry their tomatoes or to dry their cassava, get thrown away because it gets spoiled. Or during drought, which they are supposed to reduce the time in which they are drying, they don't have the instruments or the tools to be able to do so. So, putting this within this context, the beauty is that we know that every door has its own key, and the key we are now discussing is guides, and more importantly, we are talking about technology. And I wanted to build on that part that we ended because I could see this as the engine that can drive most of the aspects. Yes, you produce using nature-based approaches, so what? You get the food get lost. And as Richard said, within the document, all these things have been captured. But now, to narrow down somehow to try to touch it is what I actually want to bring here, which will answer actually one of the first resolutions, which was that in as much as we discuss this guide, let work on the ground be ongoing. And the result from that work on the ground, feedback to recalibrate these guidelines. And I think that was building on the feedback that Richard, Winnie, Kelly has given, including Patrick. We now need to also understand what has been happening on the ground. And I think the first resolution that we took in the last meeting, which was captured in the minutes, was let work be going on the ground. But what I want to report back, especially on that part, was that Patrick did report on the multiplication, where cassava multiplication was being grown, and not only him, Kelly reported also on work that is ongoing in cassava, and the Ministry of Agriculture reported on strategies and policies that have been taken and work and projects that are going to come on. And what was more important was that using the Buganda Kingdom as a pilot, the intent was what we are discussing here, how can we be simultaneously testing that on the ground so that it reverts back. But what is more exciting is that as a result of that action, the work on the ground, specifically in Chagwe, in terms of developing a tool that can then help reduce the post-harvest losses, they develop local solar dryers using local manpower and using local material.